Yeah, you better run, little lizard. We signed a waiver to get hurt here. No. This would be a great sniper advantage. Lay right here.
You stand right here and crowd, like right here. This is a little sturdy. You can put a little bit of weight on here.
All right.
Actually, you can put all your weight on there.
Yeah, you aim that way, so it looks like, bro, we got everything covered. I'm not gonna hit you.
Alright.
Come up this way, Sammy. The way I climb up the tail, like parkour. You can parkour, can't you?
That's good for it.
Yeah.
Honestly, I want to get one with all of us too, all like geared up and shit.
There we go.
You got a self timer? Do you have a timer? Oh, we should all have timers on our phones. Don't step on your shoelace.
Set it up on like rocks. Just angle it up at us.
Oh my god.
I know, he just stepped in and did that too. Don't worry about it. That takes some rifle mag, bro. I just noticed that.
Do any of you guys have an Apple Watch?
No.
No. Yep.
Yeah, then why do you come out and I'll get the phone?
I should have went through. I don't know what I'm doing. I should have went through the.
Damn it.
Everybody in position?
Wait.
We'll do but one of each. We'll do the first one in action, like, and then one pose.
Are you in the picture, babe?
Pose.
Hope, right? I'm gonna go down.
Let's get everybody down off the chopper and
Yep.
circle. We'll talk about.
I'm coming down. What?
Those are tubes.
What, this bag right here? No, it's empty.
Fucking BBs, man.
Bro. Hundreds of thousands of dollars.